mistakes are mistakes. It's going to happen. I mean, and I want people to understand that. I mean, as long as you're not ignoring your law, and you know your law, and you're keeping up to date on your law, these mistakes that otherwise happen innocently. Yes, there may be a price to be paid, but that's why you have insurance. There's things that happen in every business. I mean, I know that every one of us has probably got a shirt back from the dry cleaner that went wrong. Okay, no matter what happens, things happen in businesses. It is the way you handle it that hurts our industry. If you hide it, disregard it, mistreat a tenant in response to it, take responsibility for the mistakes we made. Look, I've had plenty of operators mistakenly sell units. It was not intentional. There was confusion, transcription of the numbers. There was a misapplied payments, and people's property was sold. Okay, that's why you have sale and disposal insurance. Let your adjuster work on the claim. Now, I will tell you, the cover-up is worse than the crime. If you make a mistake, recognize that we've worked very hard to limit your liability contractually with the limitation of value provision in your contract, upheld again with the support of the National Association and Joe and his team to legislatively create the statutory support that if you have a limit of value in your contract, that's the limit of value that you have, that a tenant can have to make a claim. So if there's a mistake made, you get to use the contractual defenses. Yeah, I made a mistake, but your limit of value is $5,000. Now, if you hide your sale, mislead a customer, anything that leads to bad actions after a mistake is made, you're on your own. And people just need to realize that. But that to me is where I see the majority of mistakes made. So I will tell you that my philosophy, as many of you know, is the best sale is no sale. I support your statutory right to enforce your lien law and to sell your tenant's goods. But if you can resolve a customer dispute over money, we're talking when people have disputes over $50. Yesterday, I had a conversation over $85. It's going to cost you more in insurance and lawyers and time to deal with the dispute. Settle that account, let people take their property and write off and move on. That would be my advice. You can take it, not take it. It's your money, and I understand that, but don't sweat the small stuff.